It was another busy day on Sodor. The pack was helping Sir Topham Hatt expand his main line. Byron the bulldozer had overheated, and his oiler was trying to help him feel better. Don't worry, Byron. I'll have you up and running in no time. Alfie and his oiler were with Oliver, the excavator. The mighty digging machine was clearing away rock and rubble from a quarry train that had derailed a few days earlier when the line was being mended. Alfie's oiler was using a jackhammer to make the larger chunks of quarry rock smaller for the big digging machine to clear away. Kelly and his oiler were unloading Isabella. Oh, mind my paint! The steam lorry had brought in essential supplies to help build the line. The Fat Controller was with a railway inspector and was showing him progress on the extension of the line. You can see we've done astounding progress in expanding our line. Soon it will join the main station and then the main line. Impressive. Very impressive, the inspector said as he looked about. Sir, what is that? That can't possibly be the end of the extension. You need more track if you want to keep going. Dear me, how are we supposed to continue the extension of that track if we don't have enough materials? I must try to find a way to answer this. But how is the question? Yes, sir. How is the question? If you're wondering what's going to help Sir Topham Hatt finish that new line, well, it's in this box.
What's it? Hey, look at this. What's inside? What's inside?
Alright. Okay, well, disclaimer. Caution, get a parent to do this. I have experience, which is why I'm allowed to do this the way I'm doing it. Now, let's see. One side down, get the other. Okay. May as well cut the tape out here. And then just one more little trouble spot. No, it's not in on the trouble spots, but well, it looks like we're done. Let's see what it is. Behold, it's an empty box. Kidding. It is the Maintenance of Way Repair Rail Set from Japan. What you see here in this little diagram of this little play figure, the excavator and the trains here, that's what you get. You don't get the track, those two extra guys that signal. None of that. I know, I'm sad too. I wish I could have gotten that, but then it would have cost me so much. So at the bottom, you have the railway crane. You have two track diesels. You have one car, the other, and then up here you have the little excavator. So, let me get a few pictures, and whoever can read Japanese, please translate for me what it's saying. Thank you. Okay, I'm back, and now it's time for me to cut the tape that holds the boxes closed. Again, be very, very careful. It's apparent if you're under 18 and you have no experience with this sort of thing. Okay, one side. Wow, they really don't do much on the tape, huh? But maybe I'll sharpen my blade later. Okay, let's... don't want to ruin the box. Okay, before I open this off the screen, or probably still on it, I'll zoom in on this right here. This is a 50th anniversary set because it's a 50-year anniversary set to mark that Plarail, TAKARA TOMY Plarail, has been up since 1959, and this came out in 2009, so 3 years ago. As far as I know, it's been discontinued. Okay. So here's the empty box. I'll put that to the side. Okay, Leokin Video. There's 2 spots of box blow. Sorry. But okay. Let's have a look, see at the instructions. I'm sure everyone has seen Burka 04's video. Don't be silly and put the running train on your head, otherwise it gets stuck in your hair. They used a play kit for that. And then it shows you how to couple the things together. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Now, first thing I'll do is free this little guy. He's held in by tape. I don't want to cut up the box. Stupid tape. Okay. Run into the trash. Come back. This guy's tiny, and he's in plastic wrapping. Again. Be gentle. Get a pen. And look, it's easy open. Ta-da! You have your repair worker. Okay, so what's next? Aha, I see it. His excavator. It's not taped in. Oh, but there is a little indentation in the box to the side. Now let's see. Oh wow, they really did go well on the tape. One there, the other gone. We open the bag. Out it comes. Look at that, you got the little hazard light. You can couple up to other engines. It runs on the rails thanks to the wheels. It's got a fully functional arm. And it goes 360 degrees. That'll be fun. So we'll no longer keep it vacant. We'll put our little worker sitting down inside. Ta-da! Close the hatch. It's ready for work. Now, I'll put him up over here. Look at this. I'm not sure what this switch does yet, but it looks like it's what levels it out, so that way you can have it roaming on the roads, like your carpet. And then, of course, when you're taking it on the rails. Really cool. We'll set you down here. Now, the next one we'll go for is this one. Again, the tape. Let's untwisty the bag. There we are. And we'll pull them out. This is one of your battery-powered engines. It couples up to the front, and it couples up and behind. It's got its black wheels, and of course, I'm not sure what these are, but from what I've seen in the promotional videos, this is the ballast
spreader, or ballast regulator, I think. So you just lower the arms down like that. It travels along slowly, in the videos anyway, and it messes with the ballast. But now, that's how you put the battery in. And it's very heavy weighted up here at the front, and I'm guessing it's to keep it from being a heavy weight in the center. Anyway, so we have the ballast regulator, and so that way it's not sitting on plain dirt, as I'll call it. One extra piece of my Tomy track. Flip the switch so it doesn't go anywhere, and he'll wait. Now give me a minute, I need to change the batteries. Okay, I'm back. Man, my batteries go fast on this thing. Now we're gonna go for the next one. The Tamping Express. Oh, look at that, it's got the phone. So that way this one didn't hit it. Okay, regardless. More tape. Yay, cut the tape. Remove that. Unswivel the baggie. Pull out the annoying foam. Yay, foam. Pull our engine out. Now look at this. It's hollow. And look at that. It works as the front wheels roll along. It's really accurate, and I'll probably just get a couple more pictures of it later. And here's who it couples up to. Ta-da! One part of the repair train. Let me zoom in up there for you for what's been pulled out already. Part of the repair train. Yay. Okay, so give me a minute, I'll fetch more track and I'll pull everything else out. Okay, I am back. I have the remainder of what track I have. And there went the phone. There you are. So that's what's left of the track. Now, we'll pull out these bad boys. He's empty. So, we cut through the tape again, and do the unwinding thing. Out comes this blue part, I'll do there. And now the truck, or the train. So it looks like it's one of those extra diesel units. But wondering what this is for? Well, I'll show you. You can carry 1, 2, 3 pieces of track, and while they're loose at the back, that's what this is for. Keeps them in place nice and straight. Pretty neat, huh? So we'll set you here. Now here's the other battery-powered engine. More foam. And again, more tape. But it's absolutely necessary. And twirl. More foam. Getting rid of it. And the foam ball from this one, because I don't want to have to deal with it. I'm going to pull him out. Pulling him out of his little baggie. Ta-da! He's the battery-powered one. He's got the gray wheels, though. But it looks like we unscrew him here. He'll lift off. And he's carrying the same amount of track as he is. Except it's not as high up. So, you know, that's cool. We'll set you there. Apply your brakes. And the last and final thing for the day. Ah, boy. Oh, look at that. They actually secured this one with the twist tie. So let me undo the twist tie first, because I want to keep the cloth so I can store them later when I'm not going to be using them. There we are. There's the twist tie gone. I'll save that for later. I'll clear this away. And now I need more track. So Oh, excuse me. Okay, this should be the last time I stop the track, but now, the final part is something I like, and it's this railway crane. So let me cut the tape off. That should be it for my knife. Putting it away gently. I will now free it by untwisting the bag, and now pulling it out. Wait, why isn't it falling off? Well, take a look at that. It's completely joined. They can't be separated. And that's really cool, I guess. You can couple them up here. Uh-oh. And apart while I was unpackaging. And then, of course, the better part is you got a bit of a brace whenever you have the arm lifted. And a little bit of a nicer part, we've all seen this on the track now on the Tomy Rocky. You have 4 outriggers. You know, that's pretty cool for a crane. Every crane needs outriggers to be stable. We've seen it with Kelly, but he only has 3. Well, wait, what am I doing? This isn't top. This is TAKARA TOMY. Excuse me, I didn't break it. There we are. Now I will set him down on the track. And there is the Maintenance of Way repair set. And now for the big final announcement that I will make. I am working on something extremely grand in the works. What is it? Well, I can't tell you. It does have to do with my series. This is the main announcement. Hang on. Sorry. Noisy. Okay. I need your help, and I mean it a lot. I'm trying to buy a MacBook Pro with Retina display, you know, that big fancy one with the HD screen. I need you to watch all my videos that you can find ads on it. If you don't, just keep watching again and again, and hopefully ads will pop up. I'm asking you because if you want awesome reviews of Den and Dart, Japanese James, and the Japanese Thomas in the Truck set, that's how I want to do it. Now, everyone's probably upset that I haven't done anything in regards to my series, but only one other user knows what I'm up to regarding it, and possibly a few others. So, in conclusion, help me out, and I will make sure you get as much retribution as you can. Okay, not like that, but I need you to go to my videos, and whichever ones have ads, just watch them again and again, please, so I can make money. I need money to get a new computer. The one I'm using is being decommissioned. It's old and is a lot slower than it's supposed to, and it just can't do the good work it used to. So please help me out, and I will deliver three reviews soon. But in order to tide you over, I'm going to let you have a sneak peek at which one is coming first. I'm going to spoil it. Yay me. Thank you for watching.
Wait a minute, who are you? I'm railroad repairman. Come to fix problem with track extension. Yosh, Igzo. Is that your guy? No. At least, not as far as I'm aware of.